Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roxanne, and today we are going to be doing the Topbox beauty box subscription, or box subscription. I can't necessarily call it a beauty box. Most of the time it comes with a little bit of everything. Okay, so if you guys remembered last month, there was a bit of a fiasco. I got the $10 beauty surprise and it was so not my color. I did write them and ask them why they would send something that I really could not use. Like, I can understand like sending everybody the same face cream and some of us not being able to use it, but when you send a colored item like that's not like eyeshadow, I really can't use it. So anyway, with that being said, they said they would replace it. It does say RP on the bottom of this. It also says it's box 2. Sorry. And just a quick little recap. Topbox is, I think, $14.95, $14.99, $15. I can't even exactly remember. A month. It is Canadian box. The payment comes out on the 20th. Between the 23rd and the 27th, you will get an email asking about your box from this month, or if this is your first box. It'll ask you certain things like, did you get the Benefit Brow product last month? Did you get the Kalila stuff, and little things like that. Then it will load onto a page that asks if you would like to forego your regular box and get one of the items listed on the page. They'll have different boxes, as they call them. So I believe one of them was the It Cosmetics Better Than Your Skin CC cream, which I already do have. So I asked for it, and honestly I did not get it this time. Now the nice thing is you can choose all of those preview boxes, or none of them, or one or two, whatever you want. You will get an option, or you might get one. You may not. They won't send you all 5. Like, I mean, you can choose all 5, but it doesn't necessarily mean you will get all 5. I do wish they had a number ranking system so you could go 1 to, you know, like, I would really like this one or this one, but if you have to choose, like, this is the one I really want, but they don't. Anyway, sometimes they offer a $10 beauty surprise, and that $10 beauty surprise often is really, really good. Last month I got the Huda Bake and Cinnamon Bun, so it didn't really suit my fair complexion right now. So like I said, I emailed them. They said they were going to send something, so I don't know. I've only seen one spoiler, and that was for box 3. So I don't know exactly what is in this box, so it's a complete surprise to me. And you guys are like, just open it, just open it. Is it good? Okay. So I just got this last month. I'm gonna let them know that they shouldn't be doing that to me. Was it last month or the month before? I will look at my videos. I do like it, but come on. Okay, so I got the Kalila body butter. Which I'm happy about. This is what they sent me. The Ole Anderson Cold Plunge Pore Mask. I have like 6 of these things, and I just got rid of them all. I'm not saying it's a bad product. It is a really good product, but I've already gotten this as a beauty surprise. So I'm going to send them another email saying, really guys, come on. I'm going to put this in a giveaway. It is a nice thing, but it takes me forever to use up large ones. So I got Medusa's lipstick and matte hanky panky. I believe I got this in Preve box. Come on. Okay, so then I also got Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. And I got Pineapple Jelly Brightening Mask. You had me at Aloha. Use 3 to 5 times a week, normal to dry skin. Face 3 uses. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's not like, oh, okay, so that's interesting, okay. Oh, this is from Masquerade. Okay, so I don't mind that at all. Okay, that's neat. And then I got a little tiny sample of Glam Glow Mud, which I'll throw in. Definitely going to be sending them a message saying, oh, you know what, I bet you I got this in the Luxebox. So why did I pay so much money for a Luxebox when this is probably a better valued box? Oh my. So they sent me 2 body butters and a liquid lipstick. So this one is a Canadian company. I'm not gonna sit here and be bitter about what they sent me. So actually I think this one is actually a Canadian company too. Okay, so this is actually the American company. Okay, so this one's, yeah. Okay, so this is a Canadian company. Formulated in Canada, made in Korea. That's okay. Like, I think it's Korean skincare. So I'll definitely give this a try, and I'll definitely be using this as well. It's kind of funny though, because I just got more, like, I got so much body lotion, which is fine. Like, I don't mind body lotion because, you know, you do go through it and you do have so much more body. I am going to send Topbox a quick message. I'm probably not going to delay this. Okay, so if you guys want to win this, I just don't want to pay for shipping. Okay, I am going to add this to the Tribe box giveaway. So go watch that video, and when it gets all through everything, just know that this is being added to it. I've got the Tribe right here. It's going in there. I am going to find a box for this. Okay, so with that being said, those items are in there. I'm going to, I use this. The only thing is that, like, this was really hard to get out. Like, I had to throw it away because it was like half empty. This is the same one. So it is nice. It's really thick. It's really nice. I have some of this stuff, but Glam Glue. So I'll probably, after, like, I have a dry spell or something, I'll probably give this a go. I don't know if you guys watched my other video. I'm like, why does my one eyebrow look like it's up and the other one doesn't? It's so weird. I'm just a tiny bit tired. Like, see, there's an arch. There's no arch in this one. You know what I think it is, honestly? Is I think my face is grown. And it's probably pulling it. Okay, I gotta stop talking. Like, this is 10 minutes long. You guys are like, shut up. Okay, let's see what this. Oh, look at that. Oh. I don't want this as a candle. I'm probably gonna go have a shower now just so I can. It's like a jelly. Look at it's a jelly. Oh my. That smells really good. Okay, I'm happy with that. Really happy with that. I'm definitely going to be trying this out. So I'm going to throw the sample in there as well. I'll throw this in another giveaway. I'm going to open it up and show you guys the color, but not like open up. Oh, you F-bombers. Okay. Let's see. What color is Hanky Panky? Well, that's not a bad color. I have to go and organize my stuff and figure out what I'm going to give away. So I put the cold plunge in there. I'm going to send them an email and I let them know that, you know, that is not very fair. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to throw some of this stuff into a giveaway and some of it I'm going to keep. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know below, what do you think about this month? I'm not gonna lie, it was absolute crap. Okay, I'm keeping 3 of the things, so that's not too bad. Really, that isn't. Come on, Topbox, you can do better than this. Anyway, try not to be too negative down below, as I'd like to try to keep this channel as positive as possible. As you can see, I did my makeup before I did this. I will be releasing that video later on as, yeah, I want to release 3 videos in one night. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.